This is a video showing how to use time in a calculation within SPARKvue. So the first step is to click on the cross tools at the bottom of the page, and then to select calculated data. Time is its own special variable within SPARKvue. So while time can be used within differentiation and integration calculations, for other calculations we'll need a stand-in for the time variable. To do that, we're going to create a new variable here, and we'll call this time1. Since time is already taken as a name, we have to change the name slightly. Next, I'm going to use the Statistics button and then select Count. What I'm going to do now is count the number of data points that I've collected on one of the active sensors. In this case, I have a force sensor connected. I'll do that by selecting on Measurements and then selecting the force sensor. I'm now going to see what the sample rate is, so go ahead and click on Done here to hide this keyboard. If I look to the lower left-hand side, I can see that the sampling rate here is 20 Hertz. To reactivate the keyboard, I'll click on the 1, 2, 3 button. I will move my cursor back to the top expression, and now I'm going to divide by 20. The next step is to click on the Properties button, so I can assign the proper units to this calculation. On the line with units, I'm going to click on the keyboard, highlight what's written there, and change that to seconds, and click on OK. I'll click on OK again, and then click on Done to exit out of the keyboard, and then finally OK again to get back to my primary graph. So what I will do here is I'm going to collect a run of data so you can see that this is how it's normally displayed versus time as it's recorded. Now I'm going to click on my horizontal axis, and instead of selecting the standard time here, I'm going to go to my user entered data where my calculations reside, and I'm going to select time 1. And you can see that the display is identical to what was shown before with the standard time as the x-axis.